How can Axelar change the world like the Internet? Axelar and the Internet have protocols to drive similar systems. Axelar has CGP protocols and CTP protocols, while the Internet also has BGP and HTTPs. Let's take a look at the Internet. Nowadays, many devices are formed, such as computers, mobile phones, each of which has its standards. Therefore, the connection must have one protocol to share so that each device can communicate with each other. The protocol is TCP/IP, which is like an intermediary for each device to connect to. TCP/IP is divided into several protocols, but the relevant ones contain BGP and HTTPs. Let's start with BGP. BGP is a routing protocol, helping with connections between two different networks. For example, Network A wants to connect to Network B, so BGP is a protocol used to connect outside each network. Next, HTTPs is another TLS protocol, which HTTPs use in terms of interfamily communication of information. For example, if a user wants to retrieve certain data from the server, HTTPs will send us information through encryption. Thus, the combination of BGP and HTTPs creates today's borderless communications. Everyone's connected. Not only that, in the business and industry sectors, it benefits from this, resulting in a lot of economic development. Back to blockchain. We'll find a lot of chains, each with different standards and writing languages. So Axelar came to the rescue in this section, which is a different chain link that allows each chain to communicate. The first protocol to connect the chain is CGP, so the CGP acts similarly to the BGP of the Internet system. Of course, in each chain, there must be a lot of dApps created, but if dApps on one chain are communicating or sharing, it can't. Therefore, Axelar protocols that communicate between dApps are CTP, allowing us to transfer and exchange tokens or information between chains, allowing us to use all dApps from just one of our wallets, so CTP works similarly to Internet HTTPs. Therefore, in the future, Axelar is comparable to the new standard of cross-chain.